Hello, my name is Maggie Botter. I'm a Professor of Sociology from the University of Tasmania, and I'm also the Pro-Vice Chancellor Aboriginal Research and Leadership at the University of Tasmania. I'm also a descendant of the Parabina people of the Te Pūkuna country in northeastern Tasmania, so despite my white skin, I have Aboriginal heritage, and that explains some of my key research ambitions and fields. So my areas of research expertise are social inequality, race relations, the family, and, as with this course, social research methods. So with the course that I offer within the International Masters of Socio-Legal Research, my job is to move the students from being students of socio-legal matters to actually being able to be researchers, socio-legal researchers. So the course that I offer is built around social research methods, quantitative and qualitative. And what I try and stress to the students is that no matter whether you're doing qualitative or quantitative work, the same measures of scientific rigour apply to the research that you do. So I focus the first couple of days of the course around learning that what social research is and why it differs from just general inquiry, the design features of a good social research project, and also the 10 steps of social research that all researchers need to follow to ensure that their research is creates new knowledge that's robust and is vigorous and it's reliable and can be replicated. I then spend a whole day talking about ethics and the political dimensions of research, because as social scientists in the socio-legal field, we need to be very aware that we're working with real people in the real world, and that our research can have real world effects. So what we're working with, we have to be very clear that what we're doing is ethical in terms of both our own research practice, but also that it does no harm, and it is just and beneficent to the people we are working with. So we spend a day working through the ethics. Then we move on to actually looking at research methods themselves. So in the qualitative side, we look at content analysis, we look at discourse analysis, we look at in-depth interviewing, we look at case studies, we look at focus groups, and we also look at ethnographic work. So there's a lot to cover in a relatively short period of time. And on the quantitative side, we do a hands-on study of both the science and the theory behind quantitative work, and then we have a day where students get to use SPSS to conduct their own mini quantitative analysis. And we round out the course by moving back to where we started, which is looking at the processes of research and making sure that all of the students have, by the end of the 2 weeks, a robust 10-point plan to start